To change a flat tire safely, park on a flat, stable surface away from traffic and turn on your hazard lights. Remove the spare tire, as explained previously. Use wheel chocks to prevent the vehicle from rolling during the change. Loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire with the wrench, but don't remove them completely yet. Position the jack under the vehicle's designated jack points, marked on the frame near each wheel, and raise the vehicle about 6 to 8 inches. Remove the lug nuts and the wheel, install the spare tire, and loosely tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle and then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 80 to 100 foot-pounds of torque. Stow the tools and drive cautiously to a service center, as spare tires are temporary and should not be driven over 50 miles per hour or for more than 50 miles. Always consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions.